Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save channel posts and chat messages for quick access later on. So we're going to start with channel posts. And before we get into this, why might you want to save a channel post? Well, perhaps someone has shared some important information that you want to refer back to at a later time in the form of a channel post. An easy way for you to be able to do that is to go ahead and save it. And that use case sort of applies to chat messages. Perhaps somebody sends you some important information, and as chats and posts transpire, it might get lost, so you want to be able to easily refer back to them. That's a good use case for saving these messages. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with looking at how to save a channel post. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and save this post from my colleague Diego. And to save a channel post, what you want to do is you want to hover over the post and click on the More Options button. And then you want to go ahead and click on Save This Message. And you're going to notice at the top of the screen that it now shows as being saved. So that allows you to easily save this message. Now, how do you access your saved messages? Well, what you want to do is you want to scroll up to the top of Teams and click on your profile, whether you have a picture or your initials, and you want to scroll down and click on Saved. And this is going to bring you into all of your saved messages here in the left-hand side. So that, again, you can easily refer back to saved messages using this technique. Now we're going to go ahead and look at saving a chat message. It works just the same. So in this case, I'm going to click on chat, and I am going to save this chat message again from my colleague Diego. And again, you want to click on the More Options button, and you want to click on Save This Message. You're going to notice again, it shows as saved in the top right-hand side of your screen. And again, to access these saved messages, you want to click on your account profile picture or your initials, and you want to scroll down to Saved. And you can see here, I've now saved this chat message, and there is the channel post that I saved earlier. So that's a quick little shortcut in how to save important information in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like it. Please drop a comment below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorial, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, and talk soon.